The best and most easiest way to ground for me is to get out in nature, connecting with the water, connecting with the sun, connecting with the mountains, connecting with the earth. Take your shoes off, walk barefoot along the ground, let yourself be one with it all. Close your eyes, feel the sun, listen to the river. May your abundance flow just like this. May the joy shine into your life just like that. And may beauty surround you everywhere you go. This is true abundance. This is life. This is what being alive is. This is the glory of God.